Alright, this is a little video for you do-it-yourselfers who like to take a shot at fixing your own stuff before you call a professional in. This is like a 2004 under-counter custom faceplate beverage cooler that wasn't cooling things down. And as you know, these are pretty simple. They just have a compressor. They have a cold plate in the back, and then the thermostat is a rotary controller down in the corner there that determines whether you want it as cold as like 40 degrees Fahrenheit or all the way up to 55, 58, depending on you're trying to keep, beer or wine cool. It's not really meant to go down into the 30s where you would use for storing milk and so forth. But anyway, on this one, I figured I took out the old thermostat, bypassed it. The compressor ran and got it actually down into the 20s in like a half an hour. So I obviously know the compressor worked. I had Freon good. The relay was good. So it must have been that thermostat itself was bad. So I took it out. It's right here. It mounts in there pretty easily with these mounting holes. The lead wire goes around the back and then it holds into a bracket behind here. This comes off pretty easily. I was able to get this part out in about 5 minutes. I looked up the part number. They don't really sell this part anymore. So I just looked at, called up the company SUBZERO, and they would sell me the part for $186. I said, no way. So I just went out and looked for regular beverage cooler thermostats. Turns out this same company, Ranco, sells one or more of those of different ratings. I went on Amazon. They had one that fit the bill, was only $14.66. I got it the next day, and I mounted it in there. The only thing I had to do different was I ended up having to put it in 180 degrees because the wires feeding this area here in the back were only like 2 inches long. So to be able to reach the connections on the thermostat, I just had to rotate it 180 degrees. But it's no big deal. You're just going to put it on your whatever setting you want. You're probably just going to leave it there. So, all right, I'll turn it up. You can hear it turn on here. There we go. And it's already down to 38 degrees from where I had it before. So we're in good shape. Anyway, more power to you do-it-yourselfers out there. These older refrigerators are pretty easy to fix. Take a shot at yourself, save yourself some money. Talk to you later.